All right, new arrival. This has got to be one of the highest option 964s I've ever had. This is a 1992 964 C4 in special ordered slate gray metallic over cashmere. But the interior of this car, I mean, is incredible. If you think about it, 92, a C4 would have been about $75,000. This car weighs in close to 90 grand with all the options. Again, it's a one-owner car. The guy literally walked into the dealership and ticked off every single box. Full leather interior. As you can see, the lower door cards are even leather. It is a sport seat car with heat, rootwood dash, leather upper and lower knee bar, with only 53,000 documented miles. Absolutely incredible car. As you can see, the upgraded stereos here with the speakers. This is all factory. This leather console. Even the switches are different on this car because of the custom ordered leather console. And it goes all the way back into the tunnel. Absolutely stunning car. Really, really well documented car as well. Probably one of the most well documented cars I've ever had. Look at this. Binder is almost 2 inches worth of documents. Everything from new. Always dealer serviced. I even have the original bill of sale. All books, records, everything. Toolkit, compressor. Incredible one owner 1992 964 C4 in special ordered slate gray metallic over heated sport seats. Full leather interior, cashmere leather. Absolutely stunning. DM me, email me, call for more information.